Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to install uTorrent on Mac. So what you're going to do, open up your browser and just type uTorrent for Mac. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click the first search result inside the official uTorrent website. What you're going to do, you're going to just hit free download. Make sure it says uTorrent downloads for Mac, or at least it has like an Apple logo to it, so you can know that it runs on Mac. So hit free download. Okay, a new window will show up, right? Like the one that just kept popping up, right? I'm gonna go ahead and click the uTorrent web DMG. Now, and all you gotta do is just drag the uTorrent to applications, right? And if there is some copying of data or all that stuff, like right now, you're gonna be able to see it, but it won't take like nanoseconds really. And just open Finder. And the list here inside applications, you're gonna see uTorrent. Just double click. You're gonna be able to run uTorrent on your Mac. Just hit open and accept any formalities. It says right here, please restart the uTorrent web application. Okay, so all you gotta do now is just wait for it, right? Let me just cancel it and reopen it again. All right, or quit, right? And now just double click and open it again. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give access, I think, right? So yeah, if you see this prompt when opening the web page and click block, the product will not work in the future. Please click allow. Okay, so make sure, I already gave it access, so probably for my device. So you're gonna be able to see the uTorrent here, right? Second click, go to privacy and security, and then site settings. You're gonna see recent activity. Okay, let me click the three bars here. Just click settings. Go ahead to the privacy and security, right? Here, privacy, security. Find the site and shield settings, right? Let me check if this is true. Okay. Yeah, it is. Now you're gonna find the recent activity, which is the uTorrent web .rainberrytv.com. Okay, make sure just to give it access. All right, you can see right here I already gave access to those. So basically you won't have a problem because I think it's a me problem here. All right, so let me allow third party. All right, now I think I'll be able to run it again. Okay, you can also allow the sixth element, which is the local network access, right? Finally, restart the browser and use normally. So I have to restart the Brave browser and reopen it again in order to run uTorrent. So that should work. Consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you. Hi.